Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward but essential: how to remove a credit card from your Amazon account on your iPhone in 2025. Whether you're switching payment methods, enhancing your account security, or just decluttering your info, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First off, grab your iPhone and make sure you have the latest Amazon app installed. Apple's iOS updates in 2025 mean everything runs smoother, so updates are key. Open the Amazon app and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, tap on the menu icon, usually in the bottom right corner. It's that three-line hamburger icon we've all come to love. Next, scroll down and select your account from the menu. This is your hub for all things personal, like orders and settings. Now, look for the Payment Options or Wallet section. Amazon might tweak the wording slightly in 2025, but it's typically under Account Settings. Tap on that, and you'll see a list of your saved payment methods. Here's where the magic happens. Find the credit card you want to remove, tap on it, and look for the Remove or Delete button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Double-check that you're selecting the right card to avoid any mishaps. Hit Confirm, and poof, it's gone from your account. One quick tip for 2025. If you run into any issues, like the option not showing up, make sure your app is updated or try logging out and back in. This step helps protect your financial info, especially with new privacy features in iOS 19. And remember, always keep an eye on your account security to prevent unauthorized access. There you have it. That's all it takes. You've successfully removed your credit card from Amazon on your iPhone. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe online, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.